Good morning. I say good morning. Welcome to day 11, guys. The second to last day of the trip. We are leaving Nebaj, which is a beautiful, beautiful city, man. Very beautiful. I think this might be my most favorite city in Guatemala. Out of all the places that we visited in Guatemala. We're on our way to Panajachel. Something like Panajachel, I think. Whoops, it's pretty crazy here. One day I want to get my hair cut in Central America. See what they do with my head. Yo, there's a little baby on the back. Yo, that's crazy. I guess the biggest downfall is getting out of the city. And that's any city, really. Wet roads today, man. Rain last night. Whoa. Is that what I think it is? In the Kawasaki? Yeah, it's a Kawasaki. Z something. We're sort of backtracking right now, but frig it. I'll keep on recording. Feliz viaje. Damn, the clouds are sitting low today. Oh yeah, we're going into the clouds. Donkeys. Holy shit.
The night has come, it's cold and losing my control. Can light it?
Jeez, man, it's gravel. Oh man. Gravel, man, I hate gravel so much. Gravel is one of my worst enemies. This gravel back at home means you're slipping for sure. Just a dog taking a shit. Damn. Just a dumping ground here.
It's gone, alone the darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could see.
Oh yeah, it's starting to get warmer. We are definitely getting warm. Go, go, go.
From my isolation, it's way too complicated. Stop this conversation.
Mud houses.
Stop this conversation.
What the hell? Why I can't wear a white flag?
We got no relation.
Alright, back on the road again. We stopped at this place called Otto's Bistro. Really, really good place to eat at. Really nice interior. I probably should have taken like pictures and whatnot, but I just wanted to enjoy my food and not have freaking cameras in there. But we're 2 hours away roughly at the hotel near Lake. I forgot what the lake, how to pronounce the lake, but we're gonna be in front of a lake, a really nice big lake, and then we're supposed to be doing a little like boat ride right on the lake. It's supposed to be nice and chill, so I'm excited for that. And now we're entering Santa Cruz. Pretty busy city here. Woo! Fucking hell. That was close.
It's crazy.
hate the city. Super Mayan. That's funny. Whoa. It's a festival. Oh wow. Comics. Fucking hell, it's cold up here. Damn, in and out just like that. Hey, Pan American Highway. Holy shit. Ah, we're nearby Antigua. Now that we can see the volcanoes. There it is.
Night has come, it's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation.
Aw.
Let's stop this conversation. Woo. We got no.
It smells nice. There's hella backpackers around here. Not sure if you can read that, but Don Mundo's Hoteles. Pretty nice, except for that. I don't know why they made it so far up, but got 2 beds. Pretty standard. Nice paintings on the wall. Really nice bathroom. Let me turn on the lights. Really nice bathroom. Yeah. If you guys made it to the end, like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
The night has come, it's cold and losing my control. Your light